Alright, going to Epcot late at night to see the holiday tag. Be exciting. Look how cute Minnie and Mickey are as it not focuses because it's so freakishly bright. Got Bambi over there. And then I think down here is Stitch. Maybe it's more Bambi characters? Or is that Chip and Dale? They have Chip and Dale here and that's so cute. And they have Goofy and Donald over here. Take your picture. By all these trees. I like these snowmen over here. I always like to get my picture by the snowman because it's just cute and festive. And then up there we have our big tree with all of our different fun stuff. We are going to see the Illuminations tag at the end, the holiday tag at the end of Illuminations. Especially since Illuminations is ending soon, we want to make sure we're able to get it.
I know, but that's just what I remember.
It's just a lot of fun. Yay, Christmas! Look at all the fun. We have these ears and those ears, and then lots of fun Santa hats. And scarves and jingly bell lights. They're fun. They light up the jingle. And we have cute out here. And then you can put all your holiday cookies in there. See, I'm somebody where I like to keep cookies and then wait till Christmas morning to eat them. So that's kind of a fun idea to grab it and do that for like Very Merry or something. That's cute. Look at all the pretty trees outside of Canada. Oh, it's so nice looking. It's fun going to Epcot at night to see all the Christmas lights out. It's very pretty. Look at the snowflakes and crayons. They're all twinkling. It's all cute. I like how America has a tree too. Pretty cute.
And now, at this special time, as we embrace the promise of a new year, we would like to share one final message. From Mexico and from Canada,
Goodwill to men.
From Germany,
Wieder auf Erde, den Menschen ein Wohlgefallen.
Morocco, Norway, Japan, France, from China, and Italy.
Pace in terra, a uomini di buona volontà.
During this glorious time of year, and with each passing year, there is one message that rings out around the world in every language. It is a gift of immeasurable value and hope to be handed down with care from generation to generation. Our holiday wish is that everyone, everywhere, joins together with the message of peace on earth, goodwill to men. Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, and special holiday finale. On behalf of the entire Epcot family and everyone at Walt Disney World, we wish you happy holidays. Good night.
You just hear the, you're just like, oh goodness.